Good day everyone, this is Teacher Day presenting you Daylight English Hustle, your partner in the wonders of English wherever and wherever you are. To be updated with the next video lessons, do not forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Before we start our lesson, I would like to ask you, what do you do when you are asked about something that you do not know? For most of you, I know that you're going to think about the words internet and searching. But what do we really call these sites wherein we search for something? For today's lesson, we are going to talk about search engines. Search engine is a combined word which came from the words search and engine. Search means to look for something, and engine is an instrument that makes transfer faster. If we combine it together, search engine is a site that makes looking and gathering of information faster. There are 4 types of search engines: crawlers, directories, hybrid, and meta. Crawler search engine gets keywords from search phrases and scans website before putting information with similar or parallel content to the database. Some of the examples of crawlers are Google, Yahoo, Yandex, and Bing. The second type of search engine is directory. A directory is also called human search engine because its contents are being controlled and filtered by humans depending on their category. Some of its examples include Open Directory Project, the Internet Public Library, and the National Archives of the Philippines. The third type of search engine is called hybrid. It is called hybrid because it is a combination of crawlers and directories. The examples of hybrid are not that different from the examples that we have in crawlers. Last but not the least, we have meta search engines. Meta search engines search in various search engines at the same time and puts together results in one list. Some examples of these meta engines are IXQuick, Dogpile, Metacrawler, and Yabadoo. Now that you have more idea regarding search engines, I would like you to try answering these questions. Identify the search engine that you use as well as the type of search engine that it falls under. Question number 1. How was the solar system created? Question number 2. What are the ingredients and the steps needed to create a delicious sinigang? Number 3. What is the greatest achievement of the Sumerian Empire? Number 4. According to studies, who is the best mage in Mobile Legends? Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you learned something from this video lesson.
This is Daylight English Hustle, your partner in exploring the wonders of English. See you in my next video.